Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Tirdar from JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Gokak. I am here to welcome the first year optional English students for the first class today. Firstly, I want to congratulate all of you for having taken English as one of the optional subject. You will be benefited in future if you offer English, as English is a global language and it has been a window to the whole world. And during the final year, you will have the placements also. Your communication skill is noted there. So this optional English subject is going to help you a lot in building your future, and it is going to add to your personality. So once again, I congratulate you for having taken English as one of the optional subject. Today I just want to introduce you to the syllabus or the portion that has been prescribed to you by RCU University, Belgaum. You will be studying History of English Literature. English literature has been one of the richest literature. So among that, you will be studying prose, poetry, drama. From one optional to the final option, you will be covering from the Renaissance to the 20th century. You will be introduced to almost all the English literary persons and the greatest dramatists like Shakespeare also. So this history of English literature has been the richest period in the English literature. You will be studying the Renaissance, that is the rebirth of the literature. Then you will be studying the Elizabethan poetry. It has been named after Queen Elizabeth. Then Elizabethan drama. There you are going to notice one of the greatest dramatists, that's Shakespeare. Then you have metaphysical poetry. Metaphysical means more than physical it is. Then you have cavalier poetry, it's the court poets. Then the Puritan prose. These are the subjects that you are going to study under History of English Literature. And it carries nearly 30 marks. So this all has been included in the unit number 1. And in unit number 2, you will have Introduction to Literature. So the first topic is, what is literature? Then you will be understanding the meaning, the function, the forms of literature here. Then you will have second topic as literature and society. The third one, literature and culture. The fourth topic is literature and science. So second topic, you will be just noticing 10 marks. And for the third unit, you will have selected poems, allotted marks 20 marks. And these are the poems that you are going to study here. And Wilt Thou Leave Me Thus by Sir Thomas Watt. One Day I Wrote Her Name, Edmund Spenser. To Celia by Ben Jonson. Sonnet 130 of William Shakespeare. coy means stress and dream marvel. So it carries, the third unit carries the 20 marks. Then the fourth unit carries 20 marks. It has been again divided as literary forms and literary terms. So literary forms like essay, novel, tales, legends, sonnet, lyric, epic, comedy, tragedy, and tragicomedy and farce. Literary terms like allegory, simile, metaphor, metonymy, personifications, pun, soliloquy, chorus, climax, and euphemism. You'll be studying all this. They are literary terms and the forms. So it carries nearly 20 marks. And you have to notice that you'll be writing two main tests. One test for 4 marks, the other one for 10 marks. Then you'll have 3 marks for attendance and 3 marks for the tutorials. So it is usually 80 plus 20 marks. 20 marks are for the internal. So 80 marks theory paper you will be writing. And you have to notice that you have to study according to the marks which have been allotted to the different topics. So more marks have been allotted to the history of English literature, which is very interesting. You are going to enjoy because you will be entering into the world of Shakespeare. Then you will be introduced to the literature. Then you will be also reading some of the very interesting poems and forms and the terms. So this has been the syllabus prescribed to you. Just notice this and have a look. You have a suggested reading also. You'll be reading some other different texts also along with this regarding history of English literature. Okay, thank you.